What's going on, everybody? Crustless Crypto here, back in the video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. I hope you all are having a fantastic weekend. I know I had to take a couple days off, and that's why I haven't been posting any videos, but I'm back at it now. As you can see here, Elrond is sitting at a nice $154. It's up 6% today. As you can see, the entire market has been kind of dipping a lot lately. But as you can see here, we're having some nice retracement. We don't know if it's going to go back into a bullish pattern, but as you can see here, it went up and then it went back down, up again, and then we're just gonna have to see where it's gonna fall, because every other coin is falling as well. So it's not just Elrond, guys. The entire market right now is collapsing due to Bitcoin, and hopefully the reliance on Bitcoin will die down over time when altcoins start to dominate. But as of right now, as you can see, we're sitting at $1.85 trillion market cap. Bitcoin just went under 50,000 now. As you can see here, it's at $49,900, and we're having a little bit of greens today, guys, but nothing too much, right? Elrond's just playing in the big screen, in the grand scheme of things here with everything else. So as we can see here, I'm not worried really about this. If you take a look at Bitcoin, look at where it went from 2017, where that $20,000 all-time high collapsed all the way down to 3,000. Imagine buying in at that and then absolutely exploding to $60,000. So guys, long term, not worried at all about this. This is a flash sale. If you can accumulate more, this is your time to do it. So as Elrond, sitting at a nice $154 from its previous all-time high around 240. So get in on this. This is cheap. You're getting it for $100 off a coin. So if I were you guys, again, I'm not a financial advisor, but if I were you guys, I would purchase some more now, because I know I have. So real quick, not really too much updates, but some interesting things I want to talk to you guys about. Elrond's Maiar Exchange release could drive the EGLD price to new all-time highs. Now, with that caveat, I want to say that's going to be depending on Bitcoin and the rest of the market. If we're going back into a bullish pattern, a bullish upswing, right, where everything is pumping, I can see this even giving Elrond that nice nitro, right? So the snapshot interface of the Maiar Exchange is now live. I've talked about this in my past videos here. Elrond holders will have access to the MEX token by staking EGLD, right? And EGLD price could be on the verge of a massive rebound, according to technicals. So again, I don't do technical analysis, guys. I am trying to get into it from just a fundamental perspective, just kind of learning and seeing where these people are coming from. But for me personally, you can't time the markets. Yes, price analysis and price predictions are nice, but I like to see the sentiment, right? The emotion of the market, because that's the most important thing. So Elrond has finally released the first snapshot of the Maiar Exchange, which will allow EGLD holders to see their MEX governance token balances increase. The MEX governance token will enable the community to make decisions, with most of the token supply airdropped to EGLD holders. So Elrond releases their first batch. It's going to be this week. They captured every single day this week, right? And now we're going to be transitioning to Monday, and it's going to be, the first batch. So the Maiar Exchange was developed by the Elrond team and has been created to enable traders access to a better user interface, a powerful automated market maker, and better scaling with almost no fees, guys. So again, as you can see, this is what the snapshot cycle was. MEX will be the first token of the Elrond ecosystem, and it is airdropped to EGLD holders. The exchange launch is targeted to go live on April 30th. So again, 5 days, guys, from the time of this video. The Maiar Exchange is tackling a hard $1 trillion problem of global significance, the company wrote in a blog post. Its ability to easily onboard hundreds of millions of users will rapidly grow into one of the largest decentralized exchanges in the entire ecosystem. So they're trying to change games here. They're trying to swivel heads, right? So most EGLD holders are eligible to receive. So we've already talked about this. I'm not going to beat a dead horse with this. We know exactly how the staking, how the rewards work, what the multipliers are. Pretty much a 1-to-1 or 1-to-1.5 swap, right? So again, more of the technical analysis portion, he says Elrond price aims for a huge rebound if this level holds. So on the 3-day chart, Elrond price has been trading above the 12 EMA since November 2020, which means this support moving average is critical. In the last week, EGLD managed to close above this T level again. So as you can see from the chart, right? In the last few months, most rebounds from this critical moving average have resulted in massive upswings. A breakout above the 78.6% Fibonacci retracement level at 194 could quickly drive EGLD to the previous all-time high of 245. Very nice. Additionally, on the 12-hour chart, Elrond has formed an ascending, broadening wedge pattern. In the past several months, whenever the RSI, right, which is the relative strength index, dropped to 40 or below, the digital asset had massive rebounds. So from what he's saying here, EGLD is on its way to a nice, massive uptrend, hopefully to the $300 mark. That would be very nice. And as you can see, he has his fundamentals here of how he shows, every single time the RSI is hit down to these lows. So we could be seeing an interesting, pattern here and an interesting, hopefully a takeoff. Once again, the RSI crossed below 40, which indicates that EGLD is ready for a rebound. This could quickly take the digital asset up to the top trend line pattern of at $300. So he basically predicting, right, Lorenzo Stroh, that EGLD, hopefully $300 is the next target, and I think it's possible. Now, it's based on the rest of the prices here, right? It's been depending on Bitcoin, depending on the entire market. I wish that we didn't have so much dependence on Bitcoin, but Bitcoin kind of drives a lot of the trading pairs, especially on Binance and other exchanges. So it's something that we need to respect and be aware of. But again, I'm not worried in the short term. So that's what he's saying. So I think it can hit $300 in the near term. I'd say in a couple months, hopefully. It looks good. The graph does look good. I think there's a lot of room for growth here. So one more thing here I want to talk to you guys about is just like it's a funny thing I saw on Twitter. Here's the airport I bought into that we're currently renovating. We will accept payments for hangar leases in EGLD via the Mayar. If any pilots are in the Northern California area and are interested in joining one of the most beautiful private airport spots, hit me up. So apparently this guy, Rock Risky, has purchased a entire airport and they are renovating it, and he will only accept hangar lease payments in EGLD via the Mayar app. So pretty cool. Whether this is just kind of some publicity or whatnot, I think it's cool. If it is real, I think this is something that we need to be aware of. We got people in the U.S. now finally catching on to the EGLD Maiar. I'm sure there's some U.S. folks out here who are watching my video. But yeah, guys, EGLD to the moon. Tell me what you guys think in the comment section down below. I love you guys. It's good to talk to you guys. Good to see you guys again. Like, comment, subscribe. I hope you guys having a great weekend again. Let me know what you guys think. Have a good one.